Hey, welcome back. So my daughter and I are going to go to north of Madison. So there's this photo that I like that I took last year at the end of the season, at the end of the falls, and it's where there's this cliff, and then if you know, with the drone obviously, there's this cliff and you could see the lake on the background. I'll show you the picture how it looks right now. And see, what I like about this picture is that you could see beyond the actual subject, you know, which is the cliff, you know. And so by us going back there again, I want to capture some colors of the trees, hopefully, or at least the trees to have a little bit of green on it, or maybe yellowish. Who knows what type of colors are right now at that in that area. So enjoy the ride, and I hope you guys like it, and hopefully we get some good results. Alright, so we decided to stop to get something to eat because we got hungry. You hungry? I'm hungry too. So we're gonna get something to eat. We haven't had any breakfast and it's already 10:36. So yeah, and then we'll continue on our way. Alright, so I'm setting up the drone. It's a little windy outside. The cliff that's over there, I'll show it to you guys in the video. It'll be okay. I checked the weather. It seems very moderately for what the drone can handle, so I'm not worried about that. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get the picture that I want, and from there we'll see what else we explored. So I'll show you guys what the cliff looks like.
So as I started heading towards the cliff, I noticed I was getting high wind notice on my screen, so I decided to turn back and drive closer to the cliff for a better vantage point. Here's not as windy as our previous location where we had an open field, so I decided that it was safe to fly, and we did.
So I got the pictures that I came here for, and I'm excited. The cliff is in the back, so it was an experience because it is a little windy, and I'm not really used to flying in high winds like that, but I got it. I got the pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the results. All right, so Sarah and I decided to do a small trail here, the cliff. What's the name of the trail?
Ice Age National Scenic Park.
Yeah, that one. So it's a little steep going up, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out for the first time and see what, you know, what it has to offer, and hopefully get some photos. All right.
Nice.
All right, so this trail it's a workout. You gotta go up. Oh yeah, you're gonna get tired. And I have my camera gear with me, and it just goes up, guys. It's nice. Nonetheless, it's very nice. It's beautiful. But it's a workout. Okay, so this is very nice. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
She found a walking stick. I think I should be the one to have the walking stick, not her.
You have one at home either.
We didn't know we were gonna do this, so it's our little adventure. And again, it's a beautiful day. It's very windy, but definitely enjoyable. Okay, so we keep walking towards the cliff. It's a steep walk, so it's a little tiring, and then again, I'm not used to this, and Sarah is a little used to it, but I'm not. So the view better be rewarding, because if not, I'll be disappointed. So we'll see what it looks like. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going?
Oh no, I've been trying to find civilization for days, almost years. Oh my gosh, I got steeper. Yeah, like I'm safe. Oh,
Oh
no
God.
water, no food. Survival of the fittest. No.
I'm tired. No. Hey guys, I retract back what I said about being my moderate trail. Holy crap. Oh, let's keep going. Plus my camera bag weighs like feels like it weighs more than 20 pounds. We'll keep going. All right, so we made it for the first time, a trail, right, Sarah?
Yep.
And this is what we have.
Okay, this is where we camp now.
That's where I was flying the drone. I was just flying the drone over there.
Whoa. Look at the drop.
Yeah, you don't want to go there. Stop. What do you think?
Oh, it's so cool.
Wow. I have to say that, yeah, it's very rewarding. Oh my God. It's Sarah. Get your butt over here. I almost Sarah. Oh, get your butt over here. That is steep.
Look at that. I left their stuff over there. Hold on.
Look at that bird flying. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Yeah!
This is a very high cliff. It's crazy. But the scenery, it's definitely rewarding. I know Sarah's enjoying it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the actual cliff here. Oh God, Sarah, get your boat over here, Sarah. Sarah says that's her spot. She claims it.
This is my new room.
So I'm telling Sarah that I want to take a picture where we can sit here and have the drone over there so we can see the whole cliff, and that'll be our first extreme picture. That'll be awesome. So the winds are good right now. They're excellent actually. Barely any wind right now. That's good. So we're gonna get the drone out there and see if we can snap a picture, and we probably could even frame that one if it comes out really good.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Okay guys, so this is where we are, and by the way, my GoPro is running out of battery and I don't have them. I don't have spare batteries here, but this is where we are. And the elevation here is, Sarah, 1,246. That is crazy. I know there's higher, I don't know, again, I gotta get me a new microphone, so, but nonetheless, it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Come on, Sarah, let's walk. Okay, so we're heading back to the car, and I know we're gonna be tired by the time we get there because we still have
Quite a walk.
Quite a walk. So, yeah, I got the pictures. I got a couple of drone pictures. I'll show you guys as soon as I edit those. I'm gonna post them on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. That's where I usually post most of my pictures, and that's where basically I showcase my work on Instagram. You know, I do have my website, but you'll find the link on Instagram, so check it out. I can't wait to show you what I have on this camera. It's what a view it was for us, and what a pleasure. So we enjoyed it. We're definitely going to be doing this more, and like I said, so hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to like if you're on Instagram, or follow, and don't forget to subscribe if you're on YouTube. So I'll see you guys.